Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Kryptonic, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my very interesting find, which is a Stream Deck Mini, which, if you guys don't know, is basically like a super nice macro keypad. But I was able to find one for $25 on OfferUp, which I think is insane. And it's just crazy because I find things like this all the time and I never really get to share it with you guys. So if you guys do end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. But anyways, guys, let's get straight into the video. Now, the Stream Deck Mini is a smaller brother to the Stream Deck, which is basically a macro keypad that allows you to do a bunch of different things, and it's all customizable through their own software, the Elgato software that you can find on their website, and it's really fun and really easy to just use. And for me, I've seen them all around, and I've never really been one for needing a Stream Deck, but I've always been someone that's been curious about how I can use the Stream Deck in my setup to improve it. So finding one for $25 on OfferUp, I was like, that's something I can't pass up. And of course, I bought it. It was literally brand new. The thing was taped up. Everything was brand new. The box was just a little scuffed up. I have no idea why the guy was selling it outside of a Target as well. Super sketchy situation, but I came out of it with a Stream Deck for $25 and he had it for $30, so I lowballed him by $5. Talk about being cheap. Anyways, and then once I lowballed him, I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna get it now. And it was just it looks exactly like I've seen it on videos, everything online. It's a Stream Deck. It's very high quality, but when it comes to usability, I've been struggling to find things to do with it besides streaming. So what I mean by that is streaming is really awesome. Like, I can set up my OBS scenes. I can set up my OBS mic to go on or off depending on what I want the button to do. But besides like my streaming buttons, I don't really have like any use for the Stream Deck whatsoever. And I've tried using it for editing, but then you have to go into your key like settings, and if you want to do just like a key that'll do a bunch of different settings, you have to like put it out in a hotkey and make it out just like a really long script, and it just really takes up a lot of time, and it just ends up coming back to the idea of sometimes I could just end up doing it much faster myself than actually using the macro key, just because it's that much faster sometimes. Like, how ridiculous is it sometimes when you think about it to like hit a button to start your stream when you can just hit start streaming on OBS? But then that's why with the Elgato, you have the option of not only doing one thing, but you have multiple layers of things that you can do. So when I hit start streaming, my intro will start playing from my OBS scene. My microphone will unmute in case I have it muted. And then of course it will continue to just do my regular thing, send out a message saying, hey, I'm going live. And it's all things that I can't just do at once when I'm, setting it all up. Besides streaming, I'm not really finding a lot of uses for it. And I've seen a lot of videos out there, and the software has definitely gotten better from just looking at these past videos. There's so many more options, and so far it looks like for 25 bucks, it's a steal. But retail wise, it goes for like $80 to $100 depending on if there's a sale or not. And I think that's pretty crazy because it's cool, but I would pay like top dollar, like $50 for this. And this goes for way more than that, and I paid $25. So I think that's pretty exciting. I think it's really just a steal on my part. I don't know if it's a steal on the other guy's part too, but really good, solid price. The software for the Elgato Stream Deck is extremely easy to use. I would say that it's exactly like every other thing that Elgato makes. It just kind of works. Every now and then there is a bug here and there, but for the most part it just kind of works completely, which I really do like about Elgato. That's the one thing I will say. The price premium that they have is only there because their software works really well. Their products feel really nice. Everything about Elgato just always seems like high quality, but every now and then they do have some bugs that people just really complain about. For what you're paying, for the $25 I paid, it sure as hell is something amazing. And I've been trying to use it a lot, but like I said, these are just things that I like to hold on to and then eventually just sell again, because I don't really need these things, but it's really nice to be able to come across it, buy it, and show it to you guys, and then just be able to move along my day and not have to see it again. That's what I have OfferUp to thank. Now, this video wasn't anything like a review for the Elgato Stream Deck Mini. There's so many reviews out there, but from my perspective, whether it's worth the like $80 to $100 that you can find it for new, I would say that it honestly it could be useful, but that's a lot of money. I would say if you could buy one maybe for like $50, that's really good. $25, I'm telling you, it's a steal. It was brand new, taped up, everything. It was just really nice to be able to have something like that. Try it out and, you know, just have something premium that I've always seen on YouTube videos and be able to get it for such a steal of $25. And this is Future Kryptonic, and I just wanted to add in here very quickly that if you guys are looking for an alternative of basically the Stream Deck, all the features and everything like that, then I would highly recommend that you guys check out Touch Portal. It's an application on your phone. It's like $10 for the full version, but it allows you to do everything a Stream Deck does. But instead of using a Stream Deck and having the buttons, you can use an old tablet, you can use your phone, you can basically use anything as long as you're able to use it on the App Store from either iOS or Android. And like I said, it's only about $10 to unlock all the features of having all the different layers and all that stuff. So it's basically an Elgato but better, which is also very crazy. Of course, it's pros and cons to it as well, but I would highly recommend you guys check out Touch Portal. Anyways, if you guys did end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. Let me know if you guys have ever looked or tried a Stream Deck in general. I've seen the original one and I've tried it and it looks exactly the same, but this one just has a few like differences here and there on the body itself, but for the most part it feels the same as a Stream Deck. And it's pretty cool that they've been able to kind of make cheaper alternatives to their like really nice premium stream gear. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out the links down below for my Twitter, Discord, stream, everything like that, and I will catch you guys around. Peace, guys.